We are going to be reading words with the suffix s. Remember, when we read words with suffix s, we tap out the base word first, then we read the base word, and then we read the base word with the suffix. Let's try some together. Our first word, let's tap out the base word. Remember, the base word is what comes before the suffix. Let's try it. Dog, dog, dogs. Let's try the next one. Chill, chill, chills. Let's try the next one. Top, top, tops. Let's try the next one. Let's tap it out. Ship, ship, ships.